In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multimedia event log in Google Sheets. We'll start by opening Google Sheets and creating a fresh, blank sheet. Think of this sheet as a simple timeline that ties key dates to descriptions and the multimedia that brings those moments to life. Once you're in the new sheet, set up your header row so everything is clearly labeled. In column A, type date. In column B, type event description. In column C, type multimedia links, and note that this is where you'll place YouTube videos, images, or any relevant media. In column D, add optional category notes, which you can use for tags, themes, or quick reminders. With your headers in place, begin entering your events. In column A, add the date for each event. Keep your date format consistent so your timeline stays clean and sortable. The standard year-month-day format works nicely, but any consistent format will do. In column B, write a clear, concise description that captures what the event is and why it matters. Aim for just enough detail to jog your memory later without turning the cell into a wall of text. Now let's connect your media. In column C, paste links to the multimedia that supports each event. You can drop in a YouTube URL, a link to an image stored online, or any other relevant media link. Google Sheets will usually detect the URL and convert it into a clickable hyperlink automatically. If it doesn't, press Enter after pasting, or use the link icon in the toolbar to format it. It's a good habit to test a couple of links as you go to make sure they open correctly. If your links are long and messy, consider adding a brief label in the same cell, like Watch Clip, and linking that text to keep things tidy. Column D is optional, but incredibly useful. Use it for categories like Meeting, Launch, or Personal, or for short notes that add context, such as Who was involved or Next steps. Keeping categories consistent makes it easier to filter or scan later. As you add more rows, keep one event per row for clarity. If your descriptions run long, turn on text wrapping so everything stays visible. You can also bold your headers to make them stand out and resize columns to fit your content. That's it. You've built a simple, flexible multimedia event log in Google Sheets that's easy to update, share, and reference whenever you need it.